Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by prepping the eye. Cleanse oil and mascara so glue holds. This matters. Once done, place eye tape under the lower lashes and fan natural lashes with a lash comb. Isolate a single natural lash with straight tweezers. Now use a flat tile and a 0.5 cm drop of adhesive. Dip the classic extension at the base only, not the tip. This ensures even bonding and prevents slippage. Make sure to keep your hand steady and your light focused on the isolation area as you move to the next step. You will now place and layer extensions for a natural effect. First, pick up the extension at a 45 degrees angle with curved tweezers and bring it glue side down to the isolated natural lash. Aim to attach about 1 mm from the eyelid. Once it touches, hold for 1 to 2 seconds to let the adhesive tack, then release slowly to avoid misalignment. Continue alternating short and long lengths in a 2-to-1 pattern across the lash line. This builds depth while keeping lashes flexible and comfortable. You finish by checking cumulative alignment and curing the adhesive. Once most lashes are placed, brush through with a spoolie to reveal gaps and make small adjustments. Trimming is only for obvious uneven lengths. Then cure with a nano mister or let them sit undisturbed for 5 to 7 minutes so the adhesive fully polymerizes. If clumping happens, stop, separate the stuck lashes with sterile tweezers, re-isolate the natural lash, and re-adhere a single extension. This prevents damage and restores a seamless look.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.